Hello students, the topic of the speech is Independence Day. A very good morning to our respected principal, teachers, parents and my dear friends. I am Joel, a proud student of class 6. Today it is an honor to address you all on this joyous occasion of India's 80th Independence Day. It has been 79 years since our country became free on 15th August 1947. We remember with deep respect the brave freedom fighters who dreamed of an independent India and made great sacrifices to make that dream come true. Freedom is not only about living in an independent country. It also means having the right to learn, grow, dream, and express ourselves with responsibility. It reminds us that every citizen has a role in building a better nation. India is known for its rich culture, many languages, and diverse traditions. Though we are different in many ways, we stand together as one nation. Our unity, respect for one another, and love for our country are our greatest strengths. As students, we can contribute by studying sincerely, speaking the truth, respecting others, protecting nature, and using technology wisely. Every good choice we make today helps shape the India of tomorrow. Let us honor our freedom by becoming responsible, kind, and hardworking citizens. Happy 80th Independence Day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Drop a like and don't forget to subscribe.